The day I accidentally texted my boss and ended up on a date. It was one of those chaotic days. Spilled coffee, missed train, barely making it to the office. By lunch, I needed a break and tried texting my boyfriend to vent. But in my tired state, I accidentally sent the message meant for him to my boss instead. Ugh, this day is awful, but thinking about you is making me feel better. Can't wait to see you tonight, baby. Panicking, I tried to cover up the mistake, but to my surprise, my boss replied, I'm glad I could brighten your day. How about dinner tonight? I know a place to help you unwind. Hesitant but intrigued, I replied, sure, I'd love that. At dinner, my boss looked even more attractive than usual, and we clicked instantly. By the end of the night, I realized we had more in common than I thought. When I got home, my phone buzzed. It was my boyfriend. But after the evening I just had, I knew something had changed. I ended things with him and started something unexpected with my boss. The next morning, I walked into work, trying to act normal, but my boss just smiled at me like we shared a secret. Honestly, I wasn't sure if it was a mistake, but it felt like the start of something wild.